Speech off.
You may notice that I have my Kindle over here. I'm gonna let you hear the alarm noises that are on the Kindle. I think they're pretty neat.
Switch 6-8 repeat.
Okay.
Carbon.
Okay, so
BB alarm. Argon none. Ring.
so this is like the
22.
first one.
Check
Turn up my
box.
volume.
Not checked.
So this is the first one.
Checked.
This is the second one.
Very checked. BB
This is the third one. That I like. Third one, I mean.
Beep beep beep
This is the
alarm.
one.
Checked. Buzzer alarm.
I'm gonna go put it on. I'm gonna show you
Check
mine on my.
box. Carbon. Cesium. Checked. Checked.
That's that. I don't like that.
Fermium. Checked. Helium. Checked.
This is my favorite one. Go to helium.
Krypton. Checked.
That one sounds weird.
Checked.
This one's called neon.
Neptunium. Third. Checked. Krypton. 11 of 20. Helium. Neon. Neptunium. Nobelium. Checked. Nobelium. Osmium. Checked.
That's that one.
Oxygen. Checked. Piezo alarm. Oxygen. P-E-Z-O. Oxygen. 16. P. Checked.
Here's that one. Here is this one.
Platinum. 18.
Platinum.
Checked.
It's super loud, so I'll be able to hear it in the morning.
Plutonium.
This is this one.
Checked. Rooster. Checked.
That was a
22 of
rooster.
20. Checked. Cancel. But scan. Roost. Platinum. 8. Plutonium. Platinum. Checked.
Like the.
Plutonium. Promethean. Rooster. Scandium. Cancel. Scan. Checked.
I like this one.
Cancel. Okay. Ringtone. Scandium.
So that
Ringtone,
was
Scandium.
the
6,
That's
8,
what the alarm sounds sound like on your Kindle. Well, the ones that I like. That's the alarm sounds I like on the Kindle Fire. And if you're wondering, this is a Kindle Fire 7. So, yeah.